color. Okay. See. Okay, what is the color? It is very light here, right? Now, what I have to do? See, 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. Okay. So, ये रहा copper sulfate solution. With the help of beaker, I took copper sulfate solution. Now, कितने drops डालने हैं? 2 drops. So, 1, 2. Okay? And then 10 drops of caustic soda. Okay. Now I'm adding caustic soda solution. Okay. See. Okay, caustic soda solution. Now let's see what happens. Now I